A significant shift is happening across the entire manufacturing sector. Have you felt it? Best-in-class companies are leveraging digital advancements being driven by Industry 4.0, IoT, cloud, mobile, and other trends combined. Now more than ever, manufacturers are connecting more frequently and thoughtfully with all industry stakeholders through digital experiences, including the end customer. At LogicBay, our customers leverage digital platforms to connect, inform, and drive sales via channel partner networks. Based on broader trends for digitization and over a decade's experience enabling connectivity and cross-learning, we have launched a digital member-based ecosystem for the manufacturing industry that fosters opportunities for all to connect, learn, and grow. This ecosystem is called Fuse. Fuse represents an online environment for the sales channel ecosystem that allows all parties to connect with one another and conduct business. Fuse drives collaboration and information exchanges, leading to enhanced sales channel performance. Everyone, including suppliers, vendors, dealers, and even end customers, can share content and best practices and engage in commerce to drive new and incremental revenue opportunities. Fuse is the vehicle that enables companies to achieve their goals, elevate interactivity with everyone in the industry ecosystem, and better serve end customers.